This is CheerDriving CarPlay AI box JCCP-Z2. The box is hollow designed for better heat dissipation. Its surface is frosted to prevent slippery and fingerprint. The cable one side plug into original USB or Type-C port. Other side plug into our box's Type-C port. Light will turn on. If you need use weather forecast or watch YouTube or Netflix videos, you need to connect our box as Wi-Fi from your mobile phone as hotspot or car Wi-Fi. Input the password. If your car doesn't have touchscreen, you can use a remote. Wi-Fi connected. After Wi-Fi connected, click the weather forecast function. Select the city you are living. It will show the current weather of the city. After connected Wi-Fi, you can watch YouTube. You can also watch Netflix videos. Our box supports USB disc play for videos and music. Click the CarPlay icon on main menu screen. Turn on your iPhone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Turn off hotspot. In Bluetooth, find our box's name and pair. Wait for a few seconds. Wireless CarPlay connected. Everything works as original. Our device supports both wired and wireless Android Auto. If your Android phone doesn't support wireless Android Auto, you can still use wired connection. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and turn off hotspot. Pair the mobile phone as Bluetooth. Shows connecting and wait for a few seconds. Wireless Android Auto connected. Easily switch between our box's menu and original system. Tips: when you are using wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, box's Wi-Fi is off, so you can't watch YouTube or Netflix. You need to disconnect wireless CarPlay and connect Wi-Fi to watch videos. Thanks for watching and support in CheerDriving.